Hi, welcome to the tutorial on how to use Xtract. Go to your browser and type xtract.isaac.net. Then you will be asked to log in. So you can use your Xtra credentials to log in. Xtract is a tool that instantly turns your Xtra URLs into ready-to-run code for exporting data in your preferred language. It could be JavaScript, Python, or Google Apps Script. You have to paste your Xtra URL here. If you have a permanent access token, you can paste it here, but it is optional. And then you have to select your preferred language, and then you can create your code. And now let's head over to Xtra and see how it is done. Say you want to export your open applications. You go to the application. Then you have to select the filters. For this, let's select the status as open. And then let's copy the Xtra URL here. And head over to Xtract and paste the copied URL. As I said before, if you got a permanent access token from a developer application, then you can put it here. Then as the language, let's keep JavaScript and click Generate Code. So you can see that it has already given us an access token because we logged in with Isaac. But it is a temporary token and it expires in like 2 hours. And you will have to replace it with the new token that you can obtain from Xtra like this. You can either copy the generated code or download it. And you can go to your code editor and paste the copied code. As you can see, I have an HTML code that has main.js embedded. And let's run it and see how it works. As you can see, it exports application data in CSV format. Let's open the file and see. Okay, now let's change the programming language to Python. Here also you can either download or copy the code. I'll go to my code editor and paste the copied code. Then I'll open a new terminal. And type Python, your file name, in my case it's test.py, and enter. This will export the data into a CSV as it did with the JavaScript code. It exports a maximum of 1000 entries at once. You can change the count from here, but it is not recommended to increase it too much because it might give you an error. Let's see how we can use Google Apps Script to do the same, but here it will not create a CSV file. It will extract the data to a Google Sheet. So you can see here there is an optional field to give your custom Google Sheets URL. But let's try without the URL first. Let's click generate button and you can see that it creates the code, and let's copy the code. Then let's head over to Google Apps Script page, then start scripting. Okay, then you can go to new project and paste the code here. Save the project. Then you have to select the function that you have to run first. Here I'll select main. Then let's run the code. You will be asked to provide some permissions. Once you give the permissions, it will automatically start executing. You can find the URL of the Google Sheet it created here. So you can see that it has successfully extracted the data to this sheet. Now let's look how we can extract the data into an existing sheet. Copy the URL of the sheet and paste it here. Generate code and copy it. Head over to Xtract. Create a new project and paste the code there. Then same as before, let's run the code. And then our sheet is updated like this. So if you go to project settings and script properties, you can see that it has stored the URL of the sheet. So if you run the project again, it will update the same sheet rather than creating a new sheet. If you want your sheet to get updated when something changes, then you will have to create a trigger. Here is how you can do it. Go to triggers and then click add trigger. Choose the function as main. I'm setting the type of trigger as minutes timer because it is easier for me to show you, but you can select hourly or daily timers. Then for now I'll select 5 minutes and save. Here Chrome blocked the pop-up, so I'm going to click save again. Then I'll choose my account and give the relevant access to the project. And it is done. You can see the execution logs from here. Now let's wait for 5 minutes and see if our trigger works. You can see our trigger automatically runs the code. Let's refresh. Here are the execution logs. So you can see that it does not create a new sheet, rather it updates the same sheet if there are new entries. Okay, that is how you can use Xtract to make exporting data easier. Hope this tutorial helps and thank you for watching.